we're making vegan meringues. And you start by draining cans of chickpeas to get the liquid called aquafaba off it. So we happen to know that this dish holds 8 egg whites when it's filled, and it's the equivalent to an aquafaba, so this will be about 6 egg whites worth of meringues. This helps to work out the amount of sugar. Now, our mixer is a pretty big one, and when you're only doing a little quantity of liquid, it doesn't really reach to the bottom very well. So we started whisking in this individual bowl here. If your mixer isn't this big, you probably wouldn't need to do that. That's not something you need to worry about. There is the finished product, and it had 2 teaspoons of the cream of tartar and 2 teaspoons of the vanilla. So Roger's prepared his piping bag and turned over the top quarter to make a sort of cuff, and that helps him to fill the bag without getting it all over his hand. This is vegan meringue mixture being piped out. So these get an hour in the oven, a low oven, just like you would actual meringues made with egg whites. So we'll let them cool on the sheet and then be able to take them off and store them in an airtight container for at least 2 weeks. Vegan meringues are very well behaved. How delicious is that?